Hello guys, hello students. This is senior college mathematics. Topic for this series of teachings is algebraic process. Algebraic process. Lesson 1, we look at simple linear equations. In this first lesson, in this series, we look at simple linear equations. Okay, let's take introduction to algebraic process. The word algebraic is from algebra, and algebra is the aspect of mathematics that involves the use of both letters and numbers, or letters only. That is algebra. It deals with using both numbers and letters, or letters only. Okay, algebraic term. This term consists of the product of numbers and letter or letters only. For example, look at 2s. 2s is the product of number 2 and letter s. That is 2s. So 2s is an algebraic term. Example 2, you have minus 2 over 3ab is another algebraic term. Example 3, you have mnp, product of letters only. That is also an algebraic term. Let's look at algebraic expression. The addition or subtraction of two or more algebraic terms is called algebraic expression. When you add or subtract two or more algebraic terms, what you have is algebraic expression. For example, you have 2s plus mp. 2s is one algebraic term, mp is another. By the time they are added, the result is algebraic expression. Example 5, minus 2 over 3ab plus c is another algebraic expression. Example 6, you have s squared minus y squared plus 2sy is also another example of algebraic term, algebraic expression. The process of solving mathematical problems involving algebra is called algebraic process. The process of solving mathematical problems involving algebra is algebraic process. Linear equation in one variable. That is simple linear equation in one variable. Simple linear equations are the group of equations with the highest power of the unknown variable 1. So when the highest power of the unknown variable is 1, what you have is simple linear equation. Their general form is as plus b equal to c. As plus b equal to c. So in this form, s is the unknown variable and the power is 1. So you call this form linear equation. A, B, C are constants. It can be any numbers. Okay, these equations can also take fractional forms in some cases. For example, you can see that 3d plus 6 equal to 12. So d is the unknown variable. Then example 8 is in fractional form. So you have s over 3 plus s minus 3 over 2 equal to 6 is another example of simple linear equation in fractional form. Solving simple linear equations in one variable simply means finding the value of the unknown variable, which make the equation true. You know, an equation has two sides, the right hand side and the left hand side, and the two sides are always equal. So solving it means finding that unknown value that will make the right hand side equal the left hand side. Examples: find the value of the letter in each of the following equations. Alright, before that, for updates, follow Voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do this, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to your friends, your classmates, your colleagues. Facebook fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram at PetakusEC, Telegram t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all of these platforms, you get updated from time to time about what is happening at Petakus education community, where you have access to quality, unlimited, and simplified mathematics teachings in series, that is bit by bit. Example 9. So you are asked to solve for D in this equation. To do this, you simply collect like terms. The like terms here are plus 6 and 12. Let them go to one side. So 3D is remaining on the left. If you move plus 6D to the right, it becomes minus 6. If you subtract, you get 3D equal to 6. To get D, you divide both sides by 3. If you do that, D stands alone equal to 6 over 3, and that is 2. That is 2. Example 10. If 8s minus 4 is equal to 6s minus 10, find the value of 5s. Before you can find 5s, you need to get s first, and that means you have to solve the equation. So you collect like terms. So in doing that, 8s and 6s ought to be in one side, okay? Between 8s and 6s, 8 is bigger. So you move 6s to meet 8s, and you move minus 4 to meet minus 10. So the 6 here is positive. When it is moved, it becomes negative. Then you have minus 10 is remaining. You move minus 4, it becomes plus 4. So if you subtract and add, you have 2s on the left hand side. On the right hand side, minus 10 plus 4. Take it that minus 10 you are owing somebody, plus 4 you have 4. When you pay, because your amount you are owing is bigger than what you have, you are still owing. That is 6 minus 6. Divide both sides by 2 for s to stand alone. So s is equal to minus 6 divided by 2, and you have minus 3 as the value of s. As the value of s, okay? So to find 5s, multiply 5 by minus 3. That gives minus 15. Minus 15, okay? So example 11, you have 2s over 3 minus 4 equal to s plus 1. To solve this equation easily, you need to remove denominator 3. You don't just take it and throw it away. No. To do that, if you check all the terms, you have one denominator that becomes the LCM. So you use 3 to multiply each term in order to clear the fractions. So you have 3 times first term, 3 times second term, that is on the left. Go to the right, you have 3 times s, then 3 times 1. So this 3 clears 3 from here. You are left with 2s minus 3 times 4, that is 12. On the right hand side, 3 times s is 3s, 3 times 1 is 3. Collect like terms. Now look at 2s and 3s. 3s is bigger. So you move plus 2s to go and make 3, it becomes minus 2s. As you are doing that, minus 12 is left on the left hand side. If you move plus 3, it becomes minus 3. So you have minus 15 equal to s, because 3s minus 2s is s, minus 12 minus 3 is minus 15. Therefore, s is equal to minus 15. Minus 15. Example 12. Y over 18 equal to 5y over 8 equal to 5 over 12 minus y over 3. Y over 8 equal to 5 over 12 minus y over 3. Clearing the fractions make it easy to solve the equation. To clear the fractions, you find the LCM of all the denominators, and that is 24. So you multiply the first fraction by the LCM 24, second fraction by the LCM 24, third fraction by the LCM 24. You divide 24 by 8, you have 3, that is 3y. Divide 24 by 2, that is 2. 2 times 5, you have 10. Divide 24 by 3, you have 8. 8 times y, so you have 8y. So this is the result after clearing the fraction. So you collect like terms. So you move minus 8y to go and meet plus 3y, it becomes plus 8. So you have 3y plus 8y equal to 10. If you add, you have 11y equal to 10. To get y, divide both sides by 11. If you do that, you have y equal to 10 all over 11. So this one aspect of simple linear equations in one variable. Wow, end of lesson 1. And the voice of Petakus is saying thank you for taking your precious time to learn and follow this lesson to the end. He's wishing you unlimited success in all your endeavors and pursuit in life and career. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. For inquiry, any question, any challenge, you can contact the voice of Petakus via this WhatsApp number or through the email address. For the complete package of this topic, lesson 1 to 15, you can also contact the voice of Petakus. At a very little token, you get the complete package delivered to you. Finally, if you are not safe, you need to be safe. And the only way is to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ. He is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, I tell you, congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. Stay out of trouble. Take very good care of yourself. Do the needful at all times. Study your books, and goodbye for now.